Hi, I'm Christine with Crafts Direct, and today I'm going to show you how you can make your own Minnesota zip code plaque that can be customized with the zip code of your home or cabin. It's great for a gallery wall, a shelf, or a three-tiered stand. Let's get started.
These are the supplies that you'll need to get started on the zip code frame sign. You'll also need the sticker book from Simple Stories. You'll start by taking your paper. I am using My Mind's Eye Foundry collection, but you can choose whatever paper you would like that coordinates with your home or cabin. And you're going to apply glossy accents to the front of the Minnesota, and then you're going to place it face down on the back side of your printed paper. You're then going to smooth it out, and by applying pressure over the entire Minnesota and let it dry. You're going to take your craft knife and your self-healing mat and place the paper-covered Minnesota on top of the cutting mat and trace along or cut out along the Minnesota shape. Once you have the Minnesota shape cut out, you are going to take it and take your sanding block and you're going to sand the edges of the Minnesota, making sure that the paper is flush with the edge of the Minnesota shape. You're then going to take your Minnesota shape and apply glossy accents to the back side of your paper covered Minnesota shape, and you're going to adhere this to the inside of your frame, centering it towards the top, leaving room on the bottom of the Minnesota for the zip code. Then take the sticker book and pick out the color that you would like to use. You're going to take off the numbers that you would like for whatever zip code that you are using, but you could also use the sticker letters and spell out the word home, or the city that you live in would work too. The stickers are very thin, so be careful. When I set them on the edge, I did not push them down very hard, and then I sort of spaced them out the way I wanted them, and then used my craft knife to move them around a little bit to get them placed properly before pushing them down. Once you have your stickers placed where you would like them, rub over them with your finger and your project is complete.
Thank you for joining me today, and you can find the supply list for this project and other inspiration at craftsdirect.com/projects.